everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way out the door to go pick up some groceries. We're just gonna be hitting the nearby store of VONS. So let's go see what $100 will get our family from VONS. So I'm using the ads and trying to shop smart. Last week I was able to get a whole bunch of stuff from Winco that lasted us all week, and I made a whole bunch of dinners as well. So very proud of myself. So let's go see what's on sale at VONS.
We gotta find some bread for your brother.
Trying to plan some meals, and I think I have some good stuff. But now we have to find some breakfast things. I wonder what the boys want. Okay, we just got back, and our grand total, $96. So a little under $100. So let me show you what I got. So right here, we got Ezra some strawberry sodas. I think Kobe will like them too. And they were only $3. So I shopped all the sales. And I think I was able to get some good combinations for some meals. So let me start showing you what I got. All right, first off, I bought some potatoes. They were on sale. And kind of bummed one of them was bad. So now I have to wash them all right now and get them ready for future meals in the next couple of days or so. So what a bummer, but that's okay because I do love meals with potatoes in it. We're a meat potatoes kind of people too. So let me know down below if you are as well. I picked up some more of my favorites. So the big one was not on sale, but the smaller one was at $3.99. So I love this scent too. Let me know if you've ever smelled this and if you like it. I also picked up 3 of these. Now this one's my favorite, the Diet Dr. Pepper. This one's $1.99, and you can see I got 2 more of the Diet Cokes for also $1.99 each. So these are on sale, so you had to buy 3, and this will be good for me for like a week. So that makes me happy. So let's keep going. I picked up some more eggs. So these were $1.27 on their sale. Like if you're using the For You app, it is so great to get even more discounts. So I got those, and I'm probably going to make more ham cups here because I'm getting close. I have maybe about 5 more days or so. So I'm going to be making some more. I picked up Paul these extra long protein bars. These are gluten-free and they're pretty big. So they are going to be great for a breakfast in the morning, or if Paul wants them with his lunch. I got Ezra these bagel bites because I think he likes these ones without the pepperonis on them, and they were on sale for $2.50. So good price. I picked up some more macayos. Actually, lately I've been on a Las Palmas green enchilada kick. I think it's really, really good. So I just got macayos. This one it's still very good. It has more of a little kick to it. And so what I do is I put about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of sour cream into this, kind of mix it through, make it a little bit on the creamier side, and then add it into my favorite dishes. And sometimes I just make it into a casserole, or actually I make enchiladas with it. So good. These were on sale. I picked up a couple. They were $1.99. So I just thought having them in the pantry was just a good idea. And I had to pick up some more broccoli. We love broccoli. So I will cut these up and put them on a cookie sheet, bake it at 400 degrees for 15 minutes with only cooking spray, really. I have an olive oil cooking spray, some salt and pepper, but you could just use some regular olive oil. Toss them around, cook them for 15 minutes, and then when they're done, just kind of douse them a little bit with some lemon juice. So good. Also with the broccoli is that I can cut it up and put it into the freezer and keep them in freezer bags and then add it right into a casserole. It is perfect. Another thing that I got were these 2-liter bottles. Actually, I used Jonas's money. He wanted those. So they were $1.50 each, and that will be just Jonas's. So hopefully they'll last more than 1 to 3 days. All right, I picked up Paul some of these gluten-free tortillas from Mission. They are so pliable and very much like a tortilla. And Paul really likes them, so maybe we'll have some enchiladas on those tortillas for him. I picked up just some smaller cheeses. These were $1.77 each, and also this sliced cheddar medium. And so the boys have been eating more cheese sandwiches or ham and cheese sandwiches. I know Ezra's been enjoying that. So I had to pick up some more sliced cheese. They're on the kick right now. I've been seeing Ezra eating lots of oranges lately, so I just picked up a fresher bag. When I get down to the last few of them in the bag, I put one a day or so into the garbage disposal, and it smells so nice. And then that way they don't go bad. I picked up a few of these Honey Crisp apples because, you know, I just love them. They're very expensive, but yeah, they're so good. And then I picked up 3 of these store brand chips. They are 3 for $5. We can make some nachos with that. And these are good for lunches. And then Ezra loves barbecue chips. But I just got the regular ones instead of the ruffly ones. I don't know. Which do you like better? The ones with the ruffly ridges or just the regular potato chip? I'm curious. I also picked up some bananas. So I need to make that chocolate overnight oats with the bananas. It is so good. I haven't done it yet, but I will in the next couple of days. So perfect. Let's keep going. Okay, so one of the reasons that took me to the store was this purchase right here. It is London broil on sale for $2.77 a pound. If you can get London broil for under $3, that is such a good price, especially for us around here. So just let me know if your London broil is always under $3, because that's interesting to me too. I picked up some more ham. Now this is like the rectangular, like it's not always, you know, I don't know. Sometimes I like it a little bit more like from the deli, like a deli cut. But these make the perfect ham cups, and I'm not joking, you guys. So if I cut it right in here, I have a perfect square which will fit in the muffin pan, and then just crack the egg, cook it through, and then these little sides, I just double up like a crisscross and makes more ham cups. So it's really cost effective. I picked up some of these waffles. I know the boys really like them. And my last batch that I bought from Winco, one of them was torn open, so I had to throw it away. So that's why I bought another one, because the boys, you know, they really like them. I picked up some more Grandma Sycamore, but the wheat bread, they didn't have it in Grandma Sycamore. So I got this honey wheat from Nature's Own. Looks pretty good, and I think Ezra will like it as well. And I picked up 2 of these. They were buy one, get one free for $2.69. So one of them I'll put into the fridge and one I'll put into the freezer. And that is all, you guys. Thanks for going with Jonas and me to VONS. And we just did some great shopping for the week. I am super excited to make some of these, to create some meals out of these things. So thanks again for going with us. Like the video and subscribe, and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.